Hello everyone. Today I'm talking about AI agents, AI agent, artificial intelligence agents. We are talking about agents. Agents, we understand what from the word itself what agent would be, right? Agent is someone who is going to help you do something, right? Like suppose you want to buy a property, you approach a person who is called an agent, and that agent is going to help you to get the property for you because the person is going to show you few interesting properties according to your needs. Keep in mind, your requirement is important, right? So the agent will be looking for the property for the requirement you have and give you the best possible options. So AI agents in artificial intelligence agents actually work the same. We'll see a little more on that. Now, it's not that it is something new, but in 2023, when Bill Gates talked about AI agents, it became so popular. Now, everyone, Mark Zuckerberg and Nadella and all, they're all talking about AI agents. And why they're talking about AI agents, we'll see that today in this video. So I'm not required here anymore. So I'll just put me myself off and we'll continue with the presentation and more details, right? Okay. So in terms of AI or computers, actually artificial intelligence, in this case, an agent refers to a computer program. Okay. It represents a system designed which is to interact with the environment, to take decisions, take actions, to achieve specific goals, like the agents I talked about earlier. So it is basically a program. You can say agent is a program as far as AI is concerned or the system is concerned, right? Now, some certain key aspects of AI agents we have to keep in mind. So first is perception and action. An agent actually it perceives the environment, and how it perceives it is through sensors like cameras, microphones, or any other input device it has. It can be anything, right? It can be your sensors also, right? Now, sensors in the sense like we have heat sensors and all. No? I'm talking about that IoT and all we're talking about. Okay. AIT is a different thing altogether, but it's okay. Can be part of it. Now, it it has to detect actually what is required. Then it acts upon the environment using actuators. Actuators are actually your motors, displays, output devices. Like suppose it has to take an action. Suppose it is a robot to clean the place. So it has sensed that there is a dust, and now the motor works, and the AI robot goes, cleans, senses, and cleans. The sensor in that sense I was talking about, and IoT definitely is part of it, right? But IoT is a bigger thing. Now, the goal of an agent is action based on the information it receives. The information, whatever information it gets, it gathers from the environment, it works on that. The perception and action is one. Then we have autonomy. Agents actually operate on their own. They're autonomous. That is, they function independently without direct control by a human operator, right? A human operator is not required as far as AI agents are concerned. When we have an agent, why we require a human interference, right? The human interference is not required. And second, the analyze the environment, they take the decisions and execute the action, and you don't need any constant human interaction. Initially, okay, it may require it, but constant interaction is not required, right? Uh, Now we have to see the types of AI. These are I'm just is a brief overview of AI agents. There's much to it, and I'll be covering that in the course. I'll be bringing very soon on artificial intelligence. It is just a few days away now, and the course content and date I'll be announcing very soon. And those who are already with me in this channel, who have already subscribed this channel, they can get the updates instantly. Otherwise, people will have to look for it. And I can tell you, with 30 years of my experience, your AI journey will be very, very different. Anyway, let's come back to AI agents. The types, basically. So we have reactive, proactive, fixed or dynamic, and single or multi-agent. Like different personalities, agents definitely they have to be different. So reactive is they respond to immediate stimulation. Whatever stimuli they get from the environment, just simply just go and bang it. They do that. A proactive, they plan ahead, right? They don't just take the action just like that. They plan ahead and take initiative to achieve their goals. So they consider the future consequences also. Mind you, AI is talking about future consequences. They are able to understand what the future can hold for it. Suppose I take a decision and it may simply backfire in the future, right? Then we have third type, which is fixed or dynamic. It can be like the agents can be fixed, like agents can operate in environment with static rules, that is fixed rules, or dynamic rules. That means they can upgrade and update themselves. And then we have the single or multi agents. That means single person is handling everything, or multi agents like your groups. They form a group and work on that. Like we are very these days in common, you can say very common these days, like the community system we have. So similarly, AI agents can have their own community. They can create community and work together. And just imagine when AI agents in a community will work, how fast the work will be and how effective the work will be. Guys, if you don't upgrade yourself, you're going to have really bad time, I am telling you. You have to learn AI, whatever field you are in. Anyway, choice is yours. Now, some examples of AI agents. We have intelligent personal assistant, then we have autonomous robots. We have seen these so many times. We have seen these robots, cleaning robots are there also these days, and assistants are there. Like we have seen uh, in IVs, like interactive voice response systems. You must have seen the person response. Then we have the bots also, where they respond, so they can be AI based, also intelligent. When we say AI, they become intelligent, but again, mind you, it is artificial intelligence. That is, we are feeding it. And I'll be talking about AI also. It will be a very little shorter video on AI, because then I'll be covering that in my course completely, what AI is, what it can do, and how you can actually use it using Python. Anyway, let's go ahead. So these are the some examples. This is a brief video, just keep in mind. And then we have the architecture and agent programs. Now, an agent architecture, it includes sensors, as I told you, actuators, and computational machinery it runs on. It requires boards basically. We normally use digital signal processing boards, uh, DSP boards you can use, or some other kind of boards like we have in IoT boards. We have in IoT also DSP boards, and my favorite is TI Texas Instruments, which I have been using a lot of time. Then we have ARM processors also these days, so it has gone miles, miles, and miles. Anyway, now the agent program implements the agent's decision making function, like mapping the perception, the sequences to actions, how what should be the sequences. When it is thinking, it has to think in sequences. Actually, suppose I do this, then what should be the next result? Okay, so if this is what I do, then what happens if I do one A? What will be the outcome? And so accordingly, the action, your response would be, right? That is what AI agents can do. Now, future of AI tools with agents. Just imagine AI agents doing everything for you. And although we are talking about cognitive intelligence, I'm bringing a video on cognitive intelligence also. Although there is a video here, if you have not watched, please watch it. The devil, I call it, and how dangerous it can be when it comes to cognitive intelligence. You must have already felt how powerful AI agents are. And when it comes to cognitive, which is actually a different ball game altogether, then it will be very, very tough for those who don't upgrade themselves now. Anyway, your choice. As I said earlier, also, now the future, as I said, when in AI tools, I use agents. Just imagine how powerful they will be. They agents could be used in AI tools actually to enhance their capability and how they interact with you. Agents actually can potentially assist in various tasks. They can help you in different tasks like improving natural language understanding, personalizing responses, providing more tailored assistance to the users, and the integration of AI agents into AI tools could lead to more advanced and efficient interaction between users and AI systems. So, in future, and when I say future, it doesn't mean that it is 10 years from now. Future can be tomorrow, right? You wake up in the morning, you find AI agents, AI tools. It is not a big deal. Implementing AI agents with tools is not a big deal. It is not a rocket science. Yes, cognitive requires a little more mathematical understanding, working, and although we already have the tools for that also, actually, it is not a tool. Devin is actually a devil, a software engineer, which can do a lot. You should watch the video which is there on my channel about Devin so that you are prepared for your future. So AI agents is themselves actually are very, very strong and they in the future when they're integrated with the tools, future maybe tomorrow or day after or in next 5-10 days, right? So you get an idea what AI agents are, more to come on this, and I'm going to launch my course on artificial intelligence, which will be for everyone in the industry. Okay, whichever the industry you are in, if you don't upgrade to AI, if you don't have knowledge of AI, then you're bound to be replaced. And the reason for the replacement is very simple. You do a job in 10 days, a person with the knowledge of AI will complete in a day. Just, it is all about time, my dear. So, anyway, join my course, subscribe to my channel, and enjoy more videos like this, which are free. And I would suggest we have object-oriented course already on my channel, which is simply totally free of cost. Go through it and feel. what AI, artificial intelligence is, but definitely I'll be covering more in my courses. Right? I keep launching the courses. I take in universities also and on YouTube also. I launch what is coming free. So free you get, right? Anyway. So have a nice time. Have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe the channel if you like the video or if you gained some knowledge. Thank you. Keep watching. Keep enjoying. And don't forget to upgrade yourself before it is too late, my dear friends. Joy.